Good morning, Friday, 10th of March. Bitcoin update. Let's start with the CME. Been talking about this chart since we were here. Need to make it black. And expecting a move back to sub 20,000. That happened. We're filling the gap right now. That's nice. Also nice to see that this was playing out the past days. Less nice was that I was expecting first a bounce yesterday. Never happened. But we're here. The levels I was expecting. So what to expect next? On this chart, I cannot see a lot. We do have a big gap to the upside. Not much of resistance. But when I look on my Elliott wave chart, going to the daily, this is the best I can make of it. Doing this, it's quite a puzzle, but this is what I can make of it. An ABC down, that's what I already had for a long time. But I was looking for such an ABC, which is now turning into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, should see one more leg to the downside for that. And that's also what I see in Ether. Ether has a cleaner structure. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or better said, A, B, C. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for me telling that we should be careful and maybe see one more leg to the downside, which makes me not rushing into new longs. I already saw people on Twitter asking me when bounce. Well, I don't know when bounce, but I will. There's a saying for it. It is trade what you see, not what you think. So I'm not jumping into longs here, especially not when I do think we can make one more to the downside. This is the Ether chart. Wanted to point out this level, this pattern, and it would mean that we are somewhere over here and could even see a bit more here downside, then a bit of a bounce, and then that fifth leg to the downside. So that being said, going back to my Bitcoin chart, to the 4 hour, I want to point you out this level, a older swing low. The blue dotted line, now going to the 1 hour, I would say here is a swing high, a lower swing high, which is leading to this drop. So a break above that level, around 20,500, would mean a break in structure, and then we can look for a pullback and a move higher. Or better said, I will be waiting for the price breaking that structure, but also breaking that previous swing low, and then look for continuation to the upside. What happens now is not that important for me. We will see a bounce in the coming, I don't know, days. This might tumble a bit more down, and then maybe that bounce, maybe even one more leg down. That could be a new short, but for now I'm just waiting to see if we reclaim that level with a break of the market structure, and then I would be looking for new longs. For now, waiting to see that break of structure happening with, in my mind, the Elliott wave chart saying possibly one more down. So patience over here, and that's a good reason to enjoy a good weekend. I hope my charts from the past weeks made sense, where I said that we could go sub 20,000. It happened, and I hope, even if you didn't trade it, that you preserved some capital. And with that being said, I wish you all a very nice weekend. See you on Monday.